crew members and passengers, and that's right, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. I'm here on a beautiful Monday, sitting down, checking out my wallet, looking at all of my assets, and I'm like, I got this B&B sitting in my wallet. It's dust, crumbs, nothing much. But guess what? I thought to myself, what if there was a way that I could still earn passive income on this dust? What could I use to allow me to be able to still earn with this dust? No other than the Animal Farm, crew members and passengers. That's right. So if you like the Animal Farm, if you like passive income, if you like crypto, click the subscribe button. Make sure like, make sure comment, make sure smash the like button for D-Life. Once you walk in it and you click that video, crew members and passengers, we're going to get into some crypto passive income with your dust. That's right, crew members. We're going to make my first action today in the Animal Farm. I've thought about it. I realize I don't have the big bag to put in here, but guess what? You got to crawl before you can walk. You got to walk before you can run. So, welcome to the Passive D-Life Express. And if you like today's video, make sure, come on over here and check out this cake pool. Because last week, when we did our Animal Farm It's Live, we saw that the cake pool was 582.59 APR. That is amazing, crew members and passengers. I got crazy excited when I saw that in last week's video, but as you can see right now, the farm is 344.46. So I decided that, well, let's lick our cake, because the price of cake right now is 3.918. Cake was at an all-time high of 40 odd bucks back last year or year before, if my memory serves me right. So speculating on cake right now, CZ, Binance, all this crypto stuff that's going on, it could be good, it could be bad. Then again, it could be a double-edged sword. We do know that there is a lot of capital locked up in the Pancake Swap, one of the biggest, which is the biggest DEX in the DeFi space right now, with the majority of the TVL locks. So I'm speculating on cake today. I'm going to go for these high APRs, crew members and passengers. I'm going to use this little bit of B&B dust that I have in there to get started, get my momentum going, get crawling, so then I could start walking. And possibly, I might become a cake whale. Who knows? But we're going to start earning those dogs, because we can earn dogs by staking our cake, as you can see right here. And you know what the goal is after we do that. We're going straight into the dog pound. That's right. I'm going to let that build up, and at the end of every week, I'll take those dogs and I will deposit them into the dog pound, long as it makes gas sense. So we don't know what the gas fees are. All this is going to be new. You're along with me right now. We're going to make a few actions. We're going to see if I'm able to use this dust that I have. So this is an experiment. This is my first time making my first action on the Animal Farm, besides back, of course, months ago with the garden and the piggy bank. So you're here with me live right now. We're going to get some cake. Once we get that cake, we're going to stake that cake, and hopefully we'll be able to do it all with this little bit of B&B dust. That's right. This little, it's about maybe 10 bucks in B&B. So can we make passive income right now with cake and this little bit of B&B that I have? Well, this is a challenge. Maybe I should change the thumbnail in the video or the title, calling it the $10 Animal Farm Challenge. It's not life-changing. No, it is. I know it's not. But man, where can you go in the financial space and use 10 bucks and make passive income on it? That's just a beautiful thing for me. I've never in my life was able to take 10 bucks and actually make passive income on it. The only thing you can do with 10 bucks is save it or use it. That's it. Who's going to take 10 bucks? The Animal Farm will. Well, we don't know, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and start. So we've got that B&B in the wallet. That's first thing we want to do is we want to get connected to the Pancake swap. Once we get connected to the pancake swap, now you know that when you're using a DEX, you gotta use slippage. So you're gonna get taxes out, and so I'm gonna leave the slippage at 11% since somewhat they already have it defaulted, and we're gonna use, let's see, if we use half, 75%. If we use 75% of our B&B, we will get 1.96 cake. If we use 50%, we'll get 1.3. I do think 50% is the safe way to go, and we're gonna hopefully be able to get staking and entering the animal farm today with just $10. That's right, crew members and passengers. So, yeah, let's see. Now, I'm looking at this as my first start to possibly able to DCA into cake. The price was down last week. It went back up. It was at a nice low, about 3.60. So I don't know if cake is going to go up. I don't know if cake is going to go down. But I'm speculating on cake right now. And this is my way of getting into cake while cake is cheap. Right now, a lot of things are cheap. We don't know what the market is going to do next year, end of this year. Are we going to have a bull run? Are we not going to have a bull run? So, hey, what not a good way to speculate with a little bit of dust. So let's make it happen. And of course, you know today's video is only financial advice. No, it's not financial advice. You know it's not. It's education and entertainment purposes only. Thought you had me there, right? No, you don't. That's right. We're going to get it going. So let's go ahead and we're going to make this swap right now. We're going to end up with 1.181 cake. As we can see, 1.31 cake, price updated. We'll accept that and we'll confirm the swap. Boom. Let's get the drum roll. We should be already logged into the wallet. So let's just wait for the wallet to come up. Then again, let's log in just in case. There may be some errors over here with the MetaMask. Okay, there we go. It's up. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and let's pay that gas fee. Not bad at all. We can afford that. So the whole goal is to be able to get in the farm, in the pool, without having to be able to run out of B&B. So we want to be able to have enough B&B to hopefully get into the pool and get all stakes with just $10. I will start earning dogs passively with just this little bit of cake. But of course, I will be increasing my cake. So don't think it's going to stop here. This is just the start, crew members and passengers. This is just the start. This is the first action. Even if you got one dog, if you got one pig, if you got one drip, 5 drip, 10, 20, just get started in the farm. That's all you got to do. Get your momentum going and you're good to go. So we're going to add cake to the wallet right now. Let's see if I have cake. I think I already have cake in my wallet. I believe I do. Let's see. Come on. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's unlock it. All right, there we go. All right, so we already got the cake. All right, cancel that. So we already got the cake in our wallet, as we can see. So boom, there we are. Awesome. So now let's close this out, and now let's go back to the animal farm. And even if we got some more cake, some more B&B left over, we may just get more cake and add some more cake to the farm. To the pool. This is a pool. So let's blow this up. Let's go ahead now, and we are going to enter our amount. We're going to, let's first make sure that we are connected to the wallet. Okay, we are connected. Boom. And now we are going to add our cake. We've got 1.1 details, liquidity 3%. So there is a deposit fee of 3% that we're going to have to pay, crew members and passengers. So let's go now and make sure that it is reading, because we don't see our balance reading over here. Make sure that we are connected. Make sure that we not connected. Make sure that we've got our cake in the wallet, because you can see our BUSD balance is there, but our cake balance isn't showing. So possibly we do not have cake added to our tokens. This just really acts up sometimes. This really acts up sometimes. It's like anytime we're making a video, the mask just really likes, the fox just likes to act like, just like that, act a little bit nuts. Okay, so now let's come on up. I don't know, I have to figure this out every time. This MetaMask will not come up. I'll probably start using it on my phone and just do the actions on the phone, because on this computer, the MetaMask just takes a long time to come up. I do not know why, but it loves to take a long time to come up. So there's our cake. The cake is there. It's showing in our wallet. Our BNB is showing. So let's go back to the Animal Farm and let's refresh. Then possibly we need to press the magic button in DeFi to make sure our cake is there. So we're going to get 3% knocked off that. So we're definitely going to have to add some more cake. All right, now let's connect the wallet again. Okay, we are connected. Okay, balance of BUSD showing, and our cake is there. Boom. Awesome, good. So let's go ahead. We're going to max it out. First of all, we have to approve it, pay that gas fee. Okay, we got a 6 cents transaction fee. I could definitely afford that. No problemo. So once we've approved, then we'll be able to deposit our cake, and then we'll get that 3% deposit fee knocked off. So we should still have one cake staked at least in here, and then, you know, every week at least add one cake every week, no less than one cake. So that is my challenge to myself, to add one cake in there while we still got this high APR, one of the most highest in the pools right now. It is the highest, so that's why I'm taking advantage of this. Now let's go ahead and deposit that 1.3 cake. So our reward is dogs, our APR is 343, and we are going to deposit. Now we're going to pay that gas fee. Hopefully that gas fee is nice and 000. We got 3 zeros on that gas fee, not 1 0. Hopefully that is what I am a little bit scared of. I know sometimes the farms or the pools could be. There we go. Yep, and that's what I was concerned about. There we go. So now we've only have 0.01 BNB left, but it's a good thing I did half instead of 75%, then we wouldn't have anything left. So now you know you need lead about, let's say, give or take $8 in order to get started with the Animal Farm in the pools right now at this current time. In this video, you're gonna need at least that, because as you can see, we should only have about 0.01 BNB left now, and when we started the video off we had 0.04. And so let's see now what we've got left. But as you can see, we got our cake staked, and now we should be earning dogs. So looking forward to seeing what we will earn in a 24-hour period tomorrow this same time to see how much dogs we earned. So hey, we got 0.001 dog, that'll be awesome, or 0.0001 dog, that would be awesome, because we will be getting at least 0.1 dog soon, and they will keep adding up as we keep putting those in the dog pound. Now we got to see what the fees are in the dog pound for staking over there, and making sure that we do have enough B&B, and if it makes sense to stake that dog at that price compared to the B&B gas fees. So once our dogs are covering or worth more than the B&B gas fees, then of course it would make sense to go ahead and stake those. All right, so this my first action, crew members and passengers. I've got 1.3 cake in here staked, and now I'm going to be earning dogs. I'm happy. The crowd is cheering. T-Life just made his first action in the animal farm, a whopping 1.3 cake. Well, hey, imagine if this was cake when it was 41 bucks. Then it was like we put 41 bucks here in the pool. So yeah. So let's go now and make sure and refresh, because it's saying that that gas fee we should have been charged, but that's the approval, that's the deposit. Now let's go ahead and refresh now. Let's refresh again, crew members, because I do think that we're having some errors over here. Let's connect. Boom. All right, we're connected. Wait for it to populate. Boom. All right. Our cake is not showing. Do we have an error? Or did it not? Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's the 3% fee out, and we can unstake this anytime. But of course, you know, we are setting it and forgetting it. This is a long-term play. So I'm early, you're early if we get started, crew members and passengers. And who knows where the price of cake is going to go, and who knows where the price of dogs is going to go. This is all great speculation right now, because we're thinking up and to the right, because we know we're in a bear market, and we know hopefully a bull market will be coming, and that's going to be great. That's going to be awesome, because we know the farms are going to be here, the pools are going to be here, and hopefully we will all be here. This is D-Life. Stay safe with my first action in the animal farm. Adding K-Care at least once every week. My goal, possibly get at least 100 cake in here. Earning dogs. That'll be it. Maybe I may get into the farms and at least go into the stable farms. That is the only other thing that I think I will do. Is probably possibly get into the stable farms, and that would be probably the BUSD, USDC, or any one of these. So I'm looking to one of the stable farms, and then the next pool that I'm gonna take down will be the BUSD pool right here at 127 APR. Not bad at all. So put BUSD in there, and we're good to go. You know, we got some BUSD right now we can put in there, but of course that doesn't make any sense. It's only 17 cents. But we got some BUSD coming. We got some more BNB coming with one of our other passive income platforms out there. So the pools will be definitely full for D-Life, and the farms will be second. No, the dog pound will be second, and the farms will be third. So yeah, this is how my strategy is looking right now. Starting off with cake. So like the video for me, I would greatly appreciate that. I am done with that. I hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial there, how to get started with the animal farm and using the pools. Pretty much that's what it was. Just wanted to really show you how to get started, and you know, you can even get started with just a little bit as 8 to 10 bucks. That's all you need. You can get started with the farms or even anything else more. And not to downplay any one that doesn't have 10 bucks, or to say like that's all you really need, but to just let you know you can get started with whatever you have, and the earlier you get started would be the better, because yeah, I wanted to get started with like 1,000, but I realized I don't have the 1,000 right now, so let me get started with what I got. The point is, I'll be making passive income, I'll be earning dogs, and those dogs will be earning B&B. So stay safe, over and out, do all that great stuff to the video, like, comment, subscribe, smash the like button for me, and I am over and out.